Get ready, because Google is giving your car a massive brain transplant. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Google's officially turning your dashboard into a high-tech solution that's smarter, sleeker, and a whole lot more fun. With 250 million Android Auto-compatible cars already on the road, the tech giant's rolling out a total refresh designed to make every drive feel like a luxury experience. The star of the show is, of course, Gemini. This isn't just a voice assistant, it's a genius co-pilot. If your friend texts asking for an address, the new Magic Queue feature digs through your emails and calendar to find the answer and sends it with a single tap. Feeling hungry? You can now tell Gemini to order your usual fish tacos on DoorDash while you're stuck in traffic. By the time you pull up, your dinner's ready. But it's not all work and no play. When you're parked or charging, your car transforms into a private cinema. For the first time, you can stream YouTube in stunning 60 frames per second full HD. If you have to start driving mid-video, the system seamlessly flips to audio only, so you don't miss even a second of your favorite podcast. To top it off, Dolby Atmos is coming to selected brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, putting you right in the center of a spatial audio concert. Visually, the immersive navigation update is a game changer. Google Maps is ditching flat lines for a vivid 3D world. In cars with Google built-in, the system even uses your vehicle's cameras to give you live lane guidance, ensuring you never miss a tricky turn again. From telling you if a new TV will fit in your trunk to identifying dashboard warning lights, your car is finally learning how to talk back. The future of driving isn't just about the engine anymore, it's about the soul in a software. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.